Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the one of the topic, that is cities. This is the solution number 12 basically of the global warming error. Here basically we are discussing that basically the one Facebook basically video was uploaded by someone basically, that basically was very dangerous video basically, that was very dangerous basically, was uploaded by one of the doctor only basically we can say, but he was basically creating the disease basically. So there are two types of doctors basically in this world. One doctor basically spread the disease, another doctor basically gives the medicine. So he was basically spreading the disease basically, he was actually spreading the disease. So doctor that basically somebody tracked that basically, that this was the disease basically, but they were not able to track in the blood cells basically. Reason, it was digital blood cells basically, and that type of blood cells basically comes into the computer energy basically, that is the computer blood cells also basically you can say. So one of the person told that basically how basically this connects basically. So he told that basically computer blood cells, Facebook, like this videos like this, how basically video was created, this that basically the location, everything basically comes into the picture. Each and every detail basically diagram basically of the blood group basically, that comes into the picture. They basically given the data to the World Bank basically. The World Bank basically told that he basically has watched this video, and after watching that video basically he exactly done same thing basically which was in that video basically. So nowadays one of the person told that basically to watch video also basically, that's very dangerous basically, that to watch videos also basically it converts to very dangerous thing basically. So one of the person told that basically if you are not controlling, one of the doctor basically told, if you are not controlling the digital world basically, then in future basically digital world is going to create lots of issues in the future basically. So like this basically he told that basically, thus this was actually the digital world basically, that basically came into the picture. And this was introduced by one of the World Bank personnel, sorry, World Health Organization only basically, when he basically got the case basically. So like this basically he told that basically this was the doctor basically who uploaded this video, this was the first patient basically who watched that video, and this was the doctor basically who first basically diagnosed this data of blood cells. This was the first person basically, this was the first blood bank basically who got this data, and this was the World Bank or World Health Organization, and this was the first doctor of the World Health Organization who basically diagnosed this data basically. And then basically then basically he given the data to the doctors and told that basically give this medicine basically, whatever disease basically he has got, that will get reversed basically. So one of the person told that basically the digital world basically is what actually basically, what actually the digital world is. Then one of the person told that basically we are basically we know that basically text box equal to 1000 CDs, right? Combo box equal to 1000 CDs. So one of the person told that basically Sholay movie equal to human souls basically, that you guys heard basically. Yes, that basically I heard basically Sholay movie equal to human souls basically. Is this basically connecting to that basically? Then he told me, but that's a Sholay movie, human souls, na basically. Human souls basically you can't, can human souls basically generate the disease basically? Then he told that it will not generate the disease basically, but the problem is if you are creating problem in the Bollywood industry basically. For example, government is creating problem in the Bollywood industry, so this is basically good for the government basically, how basically they should handle the Bollywood group basically, and how Bollywood groups are basically handling the world basically. For example, you are, the governments are basically creating the wrong thing basically for Bollywood industry. Assume that basically they told that basically Bollywood, we will finish the Bollywood, we will do that, this, that, this. Each and every day people basically told that the government was basically new people basically. The old government people basically told that basically we can't say anything basically, because we know what actually up to what level they can do basically, because we know basically that we actually saw that basically how everything basically was created. Each and everything basically we have seen basically how basically they have created each and everything. So they basically has not told anything, but the new government told that basically we will do that, we will do this that basically, we will finish the Bollywood, we will finish the each and every industry basically, we will finish each and every theater, everything basically they told. That was new government. Then basically they told that basically Then they basically told that basically Bollywood equal to Sholay movie Human Souls, and they basically started creating problem basically in the environment basically. That was that basically the digital world of the videos basically. That was the exactly same thing basically happened there basically. So one of the person told that basically they created the problem in the environment. So Sholay basically energy basically converted into negative side basically, but that was not supposed to be, but that has converted because people are basically trying to finish the Bollywood. So if anybody is trying to finish anyone basically, then basically in protection basically they have done this basically, because police also say that basically if anybody is trying to kill you basically, you can protect yourself basically. If you want to kill the whole world basically, you can kill. Reason, you have only told that basically in protection basically you can do anything basically. So they basically told that basically we have done that only basically, we have done that only. So like this he told that they spreaded the negative. So basically one of the person told that if you are basically in the big level post, then basically you have to speak each and every words basically very carefully basically, very carefully basically you have to speak each and every words. That word basically was taken by the Bollywood industry, and they told that basically spread the negative energy. In this basically lots of people also died also, but medicine basically was there basically of the Sholay movie negative energy. The people who basically spreaded the energy, and the doctors basically who got this case, they basically given the medicine, and the medicine basically started giving the positive energy in the environment, and slowly basically the positive energy started basically. They basically Sholay movie basically created, I assume basically around 1 lakh buildings basically. In 1 lakh building basically they were spreading the Sholay movie energy. In that basically energy basically they started spreading the Sholay movie negative energy from that body, and that body basically generated the negative energy in that building basically spreaded negative energy. How they basically have done, they basically have the certain location basically which spreads the negative energy of the Sholay basically. Then basically they done, and then like this the negative energy spread it. They basically started giving the medicines, and then basically they converted into the negative into the positive energy basically. So like this also basically things happen basically. So this all basically converts into what basically education error only basically, because Sholay movie basically speaks Hindi basically what each and every words basically they speaks, that words basically are education basically, that words basically converts into the education only basically. So this is also basically comes into the 20 percentage of education error basically. So one other doctor told that basically that that is the education error basically that we have treated basically. So like this basically one of the person told that basically how many negative energies basically are there here basically, and how many positive basically data are there in the environment basically. So like this basically he told that basically like this negative energy is equal to medicine. Medicine comes into the business basically. Like this basically the business also basically. One of the medicine person told that basically this is also sales and this is also business basically. But that infected and that people that basically killed many people basically. That basically was the thing basically. Like this also basically this also comes into the 20 percentage energy basically. That is basically the error basically. In this basically 200 people also basically can come into this energy basically. It might assume that basically in 200 people this type of energy also was there basically. So like this also basically this also comes into the 20 percentage of education error basically. And in this basically MBA, MTech, BTech, everything comes. Why? Because in 1 lakh human souls basically it might possible that somebody might have become MTech, might have given the MTech exam, might have given the exam of MBA, might have given the exam of BCom, MCom, basically MTech, ME, BE, then doctorate, MBBS, MD, LLB, and then basically the BA, MA basically any basically the chartered accountant, ICWA, then basically IWA, like this basically. In next video basically we are going to see.